welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video today. Thanks for clicking and all that good stuff. Now I know you guys see the title and you know this is going to be a story time video. I haven't done a story time in a little bit. I say that every time I do a story time, but it's just because I want to tell you guys more stories. However, my life is just, it's kind of boring. This story today is going to be about that one time I tried tampons. I've only tried tampons once in my life and it was the biggest mistake ever. If you guys are squeamish and you're the type of people, like if you know you're the type of person that doesn't like this type of video, then just click out now and watch one of my other videos. If you don't want to hear about female problems, then you can just definitely just click out, okay? Just so I get that out of the way. Let me get into the story because it's a pretty short story, but it's just something I feel like a lot of young women who've never tried tampons before, I feel like you need to know. Because sometimes I just feel like enough and you feel like you want to try new things, but you're not for do it. You're not for do it. Yeah, guys, so before we get started though, give me a big thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, and please just turn on your post notifications. Click the little bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every single time I put out a new video. Yeah. So guys, we're just gonna jump right into this story time. So literally I was doing the laundry today, like about 2-3 hours ago, and this story came to me, so I'm going to share it with you guys. No shame. Alright guys, so this happened to me when I was a teenager. You know, I've been seeing my period for a while at this point in my life, and I was curious. So my mom had went away and she bought some tampons in. I doubt she had even tried tampons herself, because you guys probably know. If you don't know, let me tell you, people in Jamaica don't really use tampons like that. We're more pads, you know, pads type of people. A lot of us, or at least most of us, I've never really, you already find persons here that wear tampons like that. But anyways, she had went away and she bought some tampons. I guess they were on sale or something. It was like one of those bargain packs with like 3 or 4 different sizes and a lot of them. So I had taken some. I think I either took some or she gave some to me, something of the sort. Anyways, so I took some and you know, I had them in my drawer lingering around because first of all, I had never used a tampon before, so I didn't even know what to do, to be honest. I think I was either running low on pads or I had pads and I just feel like I wanted to try the tampon for some stupid reason. Anyways, I tried one of the tampons. When I was about to use it, I actually had to go back to the box and see the instructions on the side because I've never used tampons before. So as I said, it came in 3 different sizes, so I was, you know, pick choosing and refusing because I was like, no. I personally do not understand the logic of tampons, like, especially if you're a virgin. I would not recommend it. I don't really get how you do that. Like you just, the pads are pretty easy to me. That right there it's a bit difficult. I went ahead and I wanted to try this tampon. So, you know, I took it out of the wrap or whatever. I was just feeling it, you know, to make sure that I could do it. Because I just felt like something was going to go wrong. You know when you feel like something's going to go wrong and you still push yourself to do something stupid anyway? It was one of those moments. So anyways, I went into the bathroom and I put one of my legs up on the side of the tub, right? And I did my business. I put that tampon in there, okay? I was actually on my period, I was. But at the time I wasn't flowing heavy. So I was just putting it in there to try it out. I had the tampon on for about 2 hours, for about 2 to 3 hours. And you know, I went to pee and I felt, you know, it was a bit uncomfortable, and I drink a lot of water, so I pee a lot. While on one of my trips to the bathroom, I was just feeling like I just don't want to do this anymore, and I was getting ready to take it out. Girl, tell me why this tampon wanted to take my entire vagina out with it. I don't know. So it's like, it was so painful, and this is coming from somebody who just had a child, so I know pain on the scale of that when it comes on to your vajayjay, okay? It was painful as hell, guys, trying to take the tampon out. I guess the problem was the tampon wasn't full. It was still dry, fairly dry, okay, because I wasn't flowing heavy. I guess tampons are really for your heavy flowing days. I have no idea, but the pain that I felt while trying to take that shit out was just like, I just decided, no, never again I'm going to use a tampon. Like, why, bro? Maybe I was stupid, maybe I was too curious, because I guess the logic is Tampons are for your heavy flowing days, and you have to wait until it's full before it comes out easily, because it was still basically dry. So all of that friction was being created from the dry tampon rubbing against my walls, coming out like that. It was crazy. From that day, I vowed to myself never ever again to try tampons, because I'm not about to sit around and wait to be full for it to take that shit out. It's uncomfortable. All my ladies who wear tampons, please tell me down below how you do it. If you have like tips, tell them down there as well, because I'm pretty sure somebody else is going to be watching this who wants to try tampon, especially from my stupid ass story, and they're going to see if, you know, it makes sense. So tell them down below some things that they can do to save themselves the extra pain, and you'll probably be helping somebody out, right? Yeah guys, that was it. That was the story. Pretty short, and just it was more to help you guys, because you know, I don't want anybody to make that same mistake I did. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and also drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you've ever tried tampons, tell me down below. And if you're a tampon or a pad kind of girl, tell me down there. Come on, let's have girl talk. This is our space, people. Let's talk down there. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.